Hi, my name is Renzo de los Santos, born and raised in Ayala, Zamboanga City. I am a young leader and an advocate for arts for development, and this is my leadership journey. It all started when my friends and I had the opportunity to be part of a project last 2015, 2 years after Zamboanga siege. A lot of families are still in transitory sites, and the goal of the project was to use arts for development through theater workshops and community performances in aiding war-induced traumas and encouraging children to return back to their education. The project went well, and that's when I learned, oh, I can use theater arts for community development. Years after that, we collaborated with local, national, and even international organizations to continue these projects that uses arts as a major tool. I have always been a performer, and I was like, if I wanted to pursue this thing, I have to learn more about SDG goals or different advocacies or training myself to be a facilitator or leader. I am so grateful that I became part of a lot of trainings, seminars, camps, and fellowships across the country, and just recently an international fellowship program where all these years I learned different advocacies, perspectives, met a lot of amazing people, and most important thing, to represent Zamboanga City, to be heard, and to be understood. It was not an easy journey though. In this kind of work, I experienced rejections, doubts. It will cost you time and effort that is along with the victories and success stories from your community and organization that you usually see online. But I believe with the right amount of commitment, the right amount of determination, and the right amount of love on what you're doing, especially to my advocacy on arts for development, that's what makes me a true Zamboangueño young leader of today.